Tesla's Bitcoin reversal could be a game changer for Bitcoin. Next on your 4-Minute Bitcoin. Today's show is from a post by the Daily Hodl staff and brought to you by Swan Bitcoin. Make sure and show your support for this show by subscribing, leaving a comment, or sharing this show with your friends. Fundstrat Global Advisors managing partner Tom Lee believes that Tesla's abrupt suspension of Bitcoin payments over possible environmental concerns could be a blessing in disguise for Bitcoin. In an interview, the research firm executive argues that the development could make Bitcoin friendlier to the environment as the industry seeks solutions to Bitcoin's possible shortcomings highlighted by Tesla. Lee says he doesn't think it's going to get people negative on Bitcoin, but that it's going to get people to focus on the possible problems that are being created by digital assets. It is probably better, Lee says, to view it as a call to action for the Bitcoin industry, for them to focus on renewables or more efficient ways to provide proof of work. Many people think they already do use renewables in a very efficient way to provide proof of work. In last week's announcement, though, Tesla expressed concerns over the surging use of fossil fuels for Bitcoin mining and transactions and stated that Tesla will not be selling any of their Bitcoin and intend to use Bitcoin for transactions as soon as mining transitions to more sustainable energy, which they're already doing. Now, despite Bitcoin losing about 30% of its value since Tesla halted its use as a means of payment, Lee has upgraded Bitcoin's price target by 25%. From his initial forecast of $100,000, the Fundstrat managing partner and head of research now expects Bitcoin to hit $125,000 by the close of 2021. Now, Lee has been wrong many times on many things. So what do you think about this entire energy FUD he's talking about? Will it be good for Bitcoin in the long run? Please let me know your thoughts in the comments. And this episode, well, it's brought to you by Swan Bitcoin. Swan Bitcoin allows you to buy Bitcoin with dollar cost averaging. And everybody knows dollar cost averaging is the best way to buy Bitcoin. And you can buy as little as $10 worth of Bitcoin at a time. Many people think you have to spend $50,000 to buy Bitcoin. I'm an advisor to Swan and even own a small piece of the company, so you know I am going to love what they're doing. Now, if you use the link, swanbitcoin.com/Gary, you can receive $10 worth of Bitcoin free. So take a look at swanbitcoin.com/Gary today and see what I'm talking about. You're going to love it. I'm Gary Leland, the Bitcoin Boomer, and thanks for joining me on another 4-Minute Bitcoin. This is a BitBlockBoom.com production.